What's up you guys, I'm McMaster, the physio with the cam, and welcome back to another video. So today is my pushed workout day, that is my chest and my triceps, and I thought instead of using all those weights that you can see behind or you might not be able to see, instead of using weights I'm going to be using only resistance bands. Now these resistance bands, I picked them up on Amazon. It's a 16-piece resistance band. It has about I think 5 different type of resistance bands, as well as it comes with its own handles, the bands to attach it, even the door jammer, like to attach it to the door and use it. So this is going to be a short video and I'm not going to be telling you how many sets or how many reps to it, but I'm just going to show you all the different ways you can get creative with a resistance band, and let's see if I can get a kick-ass workout. So let's not waste any more time, let's go. So the way I'm able to do the push-ups is these bands came with the kit. You just got to wrap it around your limb, join the two, and this will go around my body and I'm able to do the push-ups in this way. Our pectoral majors function is not only to push, but it also has a function of adducting the arms, that is bringing them inside. So when I add the resistance band from the outside while doing the push-up, this is also activating the adductor factor of the pectoral muscle, which is causing a better recruitment of muscle fibers. All these exercises that I'm doing now are with this also came part of the kit. So you need to put the resistance bands in between this, attach the handles, and then this has a hard substance within it, which you just gotta put it in a door or any door hinge. Make sure that the door is locked after that, and put it in the joint and lock the door so that it doesn't budge, and this holds steady, and you can do your exercises after this. The point of this video was to show you can get creative with resistance bands. The sky's the limit. You can get as creative as you want. And now most people working out at home do not want to spend a lot of money to buying those big weights. For those people, this is perfect. Just get a kit like this and you can use it in so many different ways and to provide you resistance for so many different type of workouts, and it is very effective and you feel the burn and it hits every muscle fiber. And the fact that you can vary resistance, you can even incorporate things like drop sets to make your workout more effective. If you want to learn what are drop sets or how they work or how to implement them, I have a very short video about 2 minutes long, and I'm going to link it in the description. It's all about drop sets and everything you need to know. So in conclusion, yes, you can get a kick-ass workout from resistance bands, and the fact that it is so much cheaper than weights, and you can get an equally good workout or even a better workout with resistance bands than weights, this is a perfect option for you. Even if you have weights or you work out with weights, you can incorporate resistance bands along with that. It will be much more effective. Again, if you want to buy the 16-piece resistance band set, the link will be in the description. And that's it for today's video. I think I'll see you all in the next one.